Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda and today we are going to be picking the winner of June's giveaway. Thank you to each and every one of you for entering. I do really so appreciate it. Welcome to all my new subscribers and my existing subscribers, and also thank you to all my members as well. You're all amazing and I can't thank you enough for supporting me and my channel, and it just makes me really happy. It makes my day every single day. So I'm just going to show you what the giveaway was for this month, just to refresh your memory. So you get 3 skeins of yarn. All are 100 grams, all are Deramores, all are 100% acrylic, and this one is ultramarine blue, this one is poppy red, and of course this one's just white. And they've all got, let me see, double check, this one has got 273 yards and these two have 322 yards, so make something nice. Red, white and blue. I know Pamela's Adoring Crochet has got a red, white and blue blanket. I think it's a tutorial, but I know she's made a blanket using these colours, and especially as Independence Day is coming up, guys, I just thought, and we've had our Jubilee here in the UK, so yeah, so this is red, white and blue. You're also going to get this cute swan notebook, or notebook as my beautiful V says, a little vial with 2 tapestry hooks, a pen, a 4mm crochet hook, and a little box of stitch markers. I think you get 10 stitch markers in there. So the word you had to put was Jubilee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around, we'll go across to the computer and let's pick a winner. Good luck everybody. Okay, I've got the video and I've copied the URL. I'm going across to random.org and I'm going to put in, let me see if I can get this closer so you can see, and I'm going to put in the URL filter with a specific text, and it was Jubilee, 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 and I've got to do this, so that's, and let's get comments. How many comments are there? 238. Wow guys, thank you all so very much. So let's go across to start, pick it up, and let's hit the start button. But before I do, I want to wish each and every one of you good luck. So let's see who the winner is. Oh look, it's Lulu's Treasure Trove, Cindy. Hi Linda, I've had so much fun watching Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee. It was so much fun watching her have tea with Paddington Bear. I also had fun watching Diana Ross sing, and so many other wonderful people who were on stage singing for the Queen. And then on the last day of the celebration, it was on my birthday. Oh, happy belated birthday greetings, Cindy. And that was fun watching the parade and then the Queen walking out in her solid green dress suit. Well, Cindy, Lulu's Treasure Trove, you are my June giveaway winner. Congratulations. So, congratulations, Cindy from Lulu's Treasure Trove. If you email me at this address here with your home address, I will send your prize out to you. You've got 7 days to reply to the video and send me an email, and I am just chuffed to bits for you. well done, congratulations. And each and every one of you, I want to say a special thank you for entering June's giveaway. Don't forget 1st of July, which I believe is the 5th of, is it? Yeah, 5th of July. The new giveaway starts. And yeah, so once again, thank you to each and every one of you for stopping by, giving thumbs up, sharing my channel and my videos, and leaving comments, because I do read them all, guys. I do read them all. And take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.